Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use and create multiple desktops in Windows 11 step by step. Multiple desktops help you organize your work by separating apps, projects, or tasks into different virtual desktops. So let's get started. First, click the Task View icon on the taskbar. It looks like two overlapping rectangles. If you don't see the Task View icon, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Make sure the Task View toggle is turned on. Now, click the Task View icon. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see your current desktop. To create a new desktop, click the New Desktop button, represented by the plus icon. Windows will instantly create a new virtual desktop. Click on the new desktop to switch to it. You can now open different apps in Windows on this desktop without affecting the apps on your original desktop. To switch between desktops, click the Task View icon again and select the desktop you want to use. You can also switch quickly using the keyboard shortcuts Windows plus Control plus left arrow or Windows plus Control plus right arrow. If you want to move an app to another desktop, open Task View. Right-click the app window you want to move. Then select Move To and choose the desktop where you want the app to appear. You can also drag and drop an app from one desktop to another directly within Task View. To rename a desktop, open Task View, right-click the desktop name, and select Rename. Enter a new name, then press Enter. If you no longer need a desktop, open Task View, move your mouse over the desktop, and click the X button to close it. Don't worry, any open apps on that desktop will automatically move to the previous desktop instead of closing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create and use multiple desktops in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.